The protests in Hong Kong began more than a month ago and show no sign of easing up, with much of the activists' frustration directed at the territory's chief executive.
As a Hong Kong people, we love our place, we love Hong Kong, so we try our best to fight for our own rights only. This is our city, so we want to protect our city we want to protect our city, protect our citizens here.
About 30,000 demonstrators gathered to protest against traders from mainland China who make short trips over the border to buy tax-free goods, pushing up prices in Hong Kong. But what began as a peaceful march turned violent. The police, clearly outnumbered, struggled to contain the situation.
Police officers who were initially tasked to just man the perimeters had been pushed back. They were clearly outnumbered. What we're seeing here now at this point are the protesters basically advancing towards the riot police.
They too are unable to hold their position and were forced to retreat around 500 meters from their original position. This is Sheung Shui, a border town between Hong Kong and mainland China. Young people here tell us of their bottled-up discontent at what they see as China's increasing interference in Hong Kong's affairs. The first protests began last month when the government proposed amendments to a law that would allow criminal suspects in Hong Kong to be extradited to China to face trial. Public demonstrations forced Chief Executive Carrie Lam to suspend the bill. She said it was dead, but that's not enough for activists who are calling for her resignation. Many of these protesters were babies or not even born in 1997 when the United Kingdom ended its administration of Hong Kong and passed control of its former colony to China. But they say they are the ones most disillusioned about Hong Kong's future. Their way of life, they say, is being threatened by creeping authoritarianism. Jamela, Alindogan, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.